Being accused of pedophilia sure does make a stallion thirsty. Can't reach it. Gotta put it at an angle. There we go. That's how I burp. You got a problem with that? Moving on up. Banner, Cloud, Glossy, and you, who nobody really knows your name or cares about you. Well, that's considerate. Yeah, looks like I care, really, does it? No. Okay, anyway. Wind Talker with a big fat butt facing us, and Duchess, she's really fat and walks funny, and Rags to Riches in a full running position, and that's really retarded. Why the heck is she running? She's like gonna run into a wall. She keeps running. Why is Fudge like standing there being weird, and why the heck is Starlight running for that? That's really retarded. And yes, that is the creepiest pose I've ever seen a human in, and he is just standing there doing nothing. What the heck, man? Aren't you training? I'm having free reign, stupid. Well, who cares? Sorry, I'm becoming a complete jerk, aren't I? Uh-oh. Had too much Dr. Pepper. That is Delilah, and that is Bluegrass, and that is Charisma, and that is... Don't do it. Just a dream. What did I say? Sure, I imagine never. Hey. Did anyone ever tell you you were ugly and a disgrace to this farm? You're a weird Arabian. Ooh, but you got cool coloring. At the North Star. Dude, why you so rearing? You look like a big fat mole.